In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy paste in Bluestacks 5. If you use Bluestacks to run Android apps on your PC, being able to move text back and forth quickly can save you a lot of time. Maybe you're pasting a link into a chat app inside Bluestacks or bringing a verification code from an app back to your desktop. I'll show you two simple ways to do this, starting with the fastest method, then a reliable alternative if you prefer using the mouse. First up is the keyboard shortcut method. To copy text from your PC into BlueStacks, start on your desktop or browser and highlight the text you want. Once it's selected, press Ctrl+C to copy. Now switch your attention to BlueStacks and click exactly where you want the text to go. Make sure your cursor is active inside a text box or input field in the app. When you see the typing cursor blinking, press Ctrl+V to paste. If nothing appears, it usually means the text field in BlueStacks wasn't active yet, so click inside it again and try the paste one more time. You can also go the other direction with the same shortcuts. Inside BlueStacks, select the text you want to copy. On Android, that's typically done by a long press on the text until you see selection handles or a small menu. Once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now move to the app on your PC where you want it to land, maybe a Notes app or your browser's address bar. Click to place the cursor and press Ctrl+V to paste. If the text doesn't select inside BlueStacks, the app may be restricting copy actions, so try long pressing again until you see the selection options appear. If you prefer using the mouse, there's also a right-click method. On your PC, highlight the text you want to move, then right-click and choose Copy. Click into the target text field inside BlueStacks so the cursor is active, then right-click and choose Paste. This method is great if you're already working with the mouse or you simply like seeing the copy and paste options in a menu. A couple of quick reminders as you practice. Always make sure the destination has focus before you paste, and look for the blinking cursor in the exact spot you want the text to appear. Long press is your friend inside Android apps when you need to select text, and the standard Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V shortcuts do the heavy lifting on both sides. That's it. Simple, quick, and reliable ways to copy and paste between your PC and BlueStacks 5.